friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making meatloaf with stovetop stuffing. So this meatloaf is using stuffing mix instead of breadcrumbs, and I'm going to use these simple ingredients: a pound of ground beef, eggs, the stuffing mix, water, and ketchup. Super simple. Before making this video, I preheated the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And I also have a baking sheet lined with parchment paper for easy cleanup. So I'm going to combine all the ingredients in a bowl. So let me now take out the ground beef. So here's 1 pound of ground beef and 2 eggs. And a box of stuffing mix. So this box is 6 ounces. Half a cup of water, and I'm going to add 1/4 cup of ketchup inside the meatloaf, and also they'll use some more ketchup to brush it on top. And now let's mix everything together until combined. So now everything is mixed together, so I'm going to shape it into meatloaf. So here's our meatloaf. Now, if you prefer, you can also bake it in a loaf pan, because this size of meatloaf fits the standard loaf pan perfectly. I just prefer to make it this way. And now the final step, I'm going to brush it with 1/4 cup of ketchup. And as a variation, you can also use barbecue sauce if you'd like. So just brush the top. So now the meatloaf is assembled. It looks so good. So now we just need to bake it. So let's put it in the oven, preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now the meatloaf has been baking for 50 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So again, it's 50 minutes, 50. And now it's ready. So look how good it looks. Perfectly brown, glazed with ketchup, so good. And now to make sure it's cooked all the way through, I recommend using the instant read thermometer in the thickest part of meatloaf. So measure it up to the middle. So the middle should be at least 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah, it's 160, so it's ready. And now let's let it rest for 5 minutes and we'll slice it and try it. Now, after 5 minutes of rest time, let's slice the meatloaf and try it. Let me just cut it. It's very tender, cuts very easily. And perfectly done inside. Looks amazing. So, perfect. This meatloaf looks so good. I'm so excited about trying it. Now let's try it. It's so tender, so full of flavor, and it was so easy to make. You will love this meatloaf. It's so easy and it tastes amazing. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!